Start recording. I'm just splitting up the videos so they don't crash out on me.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Alright. You're playing... Oh! Did you read the new... So it's brand new, so I'm pretty sure I updated, but there's a new hunt ability for the CO.
Oh, yes, I saw the hunt ability.
Aaron gave it to me.
Yes, that sounds like,
So it's definitely fun.
Yes.
But, we'll see how balanced it is.
It depends basically on how quickly I can understand the radio system in order to abuse it.
Yeah. What am I doing? I'm just trying to get some coverage here. Get some coverage in eyes.
So I haven't gotten to, Fog of War is something I'm going to be implementing in a tournament as well. And, there are certain COs that are going to have bonuses to their units when they attack from hidden spaces or when they ambush. And I like any kind of commander that deals with stealth tactics or ambush tactics. Those are the most fun commanders. Even if they aren't always useful.
Sorry, I was thinking. What kind of commanders were you saying? Stealth?
No, I was saying stealth and special operations type commanders are the most fun commanders to play.
Because they're nice
even
and
if
juicy.
They're very cheesy.
Yeah. Cheese. Yeah, that's the word.
I like my cheese. I like to
I feel bad for all the
fire.
people who are lactose intolerant and can't eat cheese. Here we go.
That's what a horrible fate.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it won't kill you, usually, right? Can lactose intolerancy kill you? It's not like some of the other allergies that can actually kill you if you touch like a crab or something, right? It's just really uncomfortable from what I've heard. Just a lot of bowels stuff.
Yeah, I would think. Drop. How big is it? So what do you say? V was the main map?
I'm sorry?
This is a map. I'm going to start using mouse controls. I hope your mouse controls feel intuitive. And why isn't there an arrow?
They definitely are not. I can sort of run.
Oh dear.
Okay, in order to move a unit, you left click on it and hold it. Hold left click while you're on the unit. And
hold the left click while I'm.
And then
and it doesn't display a movement range.
Are you still So and then you right click.
What?
And then I'll put you. So the idea is if you're moving quickly, I don't remember what I was thinking at the time, but it was like to keep the actions discreet. I made a special action. So yeah, no, mouse needs overhaul, and that's next on my list of things to do.
Okay, no, I do not want to wait. Please don't wait. Okay, I'm just going to use keyboard for now.
Yes, I forgot you still had wrist issues. I don't know how bad it is right now.
No, it just, like, I don't see a movement arrow when I'm moving the mouse around. It feels very strange.
Yes, it's definitely, it's not good. It exists, but it's definitely not good.
How far can infantry move?
I think it's 5.
Okay, you have like the fastest moving infantry I've seen.
Well, everything's scaled up. So everything is scaled up. So I doubled all the movement range and I cut back by 50%. That's how I came to this. I was testing move ranges.
Alright, you captured. You guys can move. Lost. It's actually okay if you move here. Alright. I'll just go ahead and do that. Reconnect them.
Sorry, I wouldn't have asked if I thought... I knew your wrist was in trouble.
Hmm?
Is your wrist okay?
Well, yeah, I've been resting it.
Okay.
That's why I've sort of been not really as active. If I didn't have to rest it, then I would be in the War Groove channel,
Oh yeah.
uh beating people to death with ballistas and such. Or there would be a ton of Eternum updates spammed, but instead there's only one Eternum update spammed.
What? Did I put my cursor all the way up there on the last turn? Probably. How are you doing? How far have you got?
It's like the middle of the map.
Because I'm not there yet. I'm actually moving real slow. Maybe it's not.
Not sure if my unit composition is the greatest, but
You have unit composition?
yeah, if this were Eternum right now, then my unit composition is not the greatest.
Yeesh. Should I? Don't have enough money. Sorry, go on.
Does networking support a
Multiplayer? No.
when is that happening?
I don't know. You're talking about like more than two players?
No, I mean like having a proper server architecture.
Who knows? I honestly couldn't tell you.
There.
That last year really, I don't know. This is my first game. I have no idea. I'm having a hard time with this. Like, I feel like I'm at like the precipice, and it's really hard to push it over the other side. But the pieces are. I feel like the pieces will start to fall together. But
Fair
I gotta
enough.
get past some kind of hump. So everything's moving real slow right now. No, everything's been moving real slow. I'm a little worried because when I first started on this project, I didn't intend it to go as far as it's gone. So I don't know how well I've been told the code needs to be gutted, basically, and put back together for networking to actually work good. So, looking forward to that. That's going to be...
Yeah, that's a wonderful experience. Well, it is in Game Maker, so I don't know. I like to think that any project that's in Game Maker just kind of automatically. You just need to reconsider your options.
Yeah.
So don't.
I tried using Unity. I went at it for like a month and I got nowhere.
I'll do that. Nowhere with Unity.
Well, I got somewhere, but it wasn't. It was like the amount of work it took to make Unity do stuff was a lot more than Game Maker. Like Game Maker had something done at the end of the week.
I think the point of Game Maker is that it's a very quick to prototype language, but it's not a good long-term language. Okay, there's some weirdness with this movement circle.
Uh,
So I'm going to tell you right now, you don't want that when you have your movement arrow over itself, it should cancel.
ah,
It should do that.
it's intentional. So the idea is you can move your units out and then move them back into their original position, and that's for scouting.
For scouting.
Yes. So yeah, you can make like
Okay.
a recon do donuts if you want. It's kind of fun.
Yeah, I get the idea behind it. Just
Yeah, it's a
I
little
guess
janky. Some people thought it was, but yeah,
like in AW4, you can do scouting just fine if you can just make a path to where you like move right back next to yourself, not just like trace the same path over and over again. That doesn't feel very clean.
yeah. Give it a chance. Some people complained about it a little bit, but I think it might be okay once you start using it, maybe. Oh, where does this get to? Oh, jeez. Oh, man, I can put a guy up here. That'll work. Let's get a guy in here. And a guy in here. We'll keep that there.
Have you also thought about making full screen support?
There is full screen. Do you want it?
There is.
F12.
Yeah. Okay, brilliant.
Yeah, I just like to keep it low, because it's sharper when it's not full screen.
It's sharper when it's...
Yeah.
What?
Well, when it's in window mode, like it's literally so full screen because my pixels don't line, my resolution don't line up with like HD, so it's got a fuzzy, got a like anti-alias a little bit when it goes full screen. But when it's double size, it's a sharper. You can get a sharper image depending on what render mode you're in. Also, I need access to these other windows at the moment. Uh-oh. Nope, I'm fine. Okay. We're cool. Ugh. Oh, lordy. Nope, I got an idea. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. And this might not be the best idea, but I'm gonna do this, because... I'm not even at middle yet, and it's already day 7, so I'm a little worried. I didn't really move as maybe effectively as I should have. But we'll see. Say, I'm gonna use the washroom while you take your turn. I'll be right back. Hello, hello. How are you doing?
Yep.
Anti-Radio is fun to the player playing it. Yo, well, it's not my turn, is it? It hasn't broken, has it? Okay. Just double checking.
Do any buildings give radio at all?
HQ. I don't remember what's on the map, but there are command posts give radio, and radio towers can relay. But I don't remember if there are any of those on this map.
Alright, my turn's ended.
Okay, let's see. Oh, bases give radio, but they have a range of 0, so you gotta have something parked on top.
Fair enough.
Yeah. So no, there's not a lot of radio structures. Oh, mountains. If you get your guy in the mountains, you get more radio. So it goes from 3 to 5. Boy, my ears are not good. No one here yet. That's good. That's where it should be. Do I have enough? Oh. That's good, right? How's my connection? Not great. I really should put in a... Not yet, but soon. Should I commit the money for it? I think it might be a good idea. Nope, that should work. Let's check it. Yeah, okay, that's good.
When did you change having dogs instead of regular soldiers? Just curious.
Peanuts. Oh, actually, it's because I found a character designer who draws dog military characters. He just does it a lot, and they were great. And I was like, I followed him on Tumblr for a while. I was like, gosh, I wish I could have these characters for my game for like 6 months. I'm like, oh, I can just ask him, and that's why, because I found an artist I liked.
Fair enough.
Also, like, another thing I was thinking about, was like, boy, how do I represent race in this game? Because the storyline I had is very World War I for a European. I was like, oh, if they're dogs, people won't know what their skin color is. And I don't have to make like a bunch of sprites like Wargroove did. Done do. Also, it'll make my game look way different from Advance Wars. So, like, if people go, hey, that looks a lot like Advance Wars, aren't you afraid of them coming after you. I'm like, no, look, they're dogs. They're different.
Extremely different.
Day 8. Combat should happen pretty soon. Oh, right. I'm playing against Anti-Radio. I should plan ahead. Probably. Oh, I kind of did. Okay.
Do you have assault unload in this game?
What now?
You know how Eternum IFEs you can move after being unloaded?
You cannot. No, it's Advanced Wars rules.
Alright.
But you can move 2 units. Oh, and they get resupplied. So you'll notice mechs and long guns only have fuel for like 5 days worth of full movement.
Oh, huh.
Yeah. So you can't just march into the front. Or you can. You gotta stop them in cities and stuff. But APCs will refuel them on drop. So refuel, resupply. Same with, should be the same. It's the same action. Should be the same with land cruisers. Yeah, check your ammo too, because they're lowered across the board too. Boy, I'm farty today. I don't know if the mic's picking any of it up, but they just farted. You know what I realized?
Right!
What happened? Are you okay?
Oh, nothing at all.
Okay.
Alright, your turn.
Alrighty, let's see. I really got to get my dudes in. Boop, boop. This is kind of really convoluted. I think I should maybe just. Oh wait, yeah, this is my plan. There we go. Get these guys in here. Oof. Nope. Okay. Yeah, that's what I need to do. I need a second. Ooh. Wonder if I should. Probably not. Let's not go crazy just yet. Was there a UI issue?
Now the biggest UI issue at the moment is I can't see anything but black.
Yeah, it's a lot lonelier than I thought it would be.
The contrast of your units of the map is good. The saturation values are nice. It's just it would be nice if I was seeing the map.
One day, one day.
Can't you network? I know what I do with Eternum is so you're basically sending an entire save file right now, right?
It was just the easiest thing to program.
You just network commands.
Yes. If I spent like, if I probably could do it on my own. Actually, it would just take time out of other stuff I have to do.
Because I know for Eternum it was basically just sort of a day where I just spent it saying, "Hey, look at all the commands the user can do. Make a command class for it." There's like maybe 5 class files to deal with different types of commands, and they're all basically they're in a hierarchy, so I didn't really have to change. And GeForce Experience, why are you here?
A?
Yeah, no, I was saying the command, my push to talk key plus the selection key triggers a overlay.
Oh yeah, that's been an issue with the other game too. With the one I had with Aaron, the push to talk was having issues with him too. Is it space?
I have mine set to Alt, so Alt plus Z triggers GeForce over.
I have no idea what that is.
Don't worry about it, not really.
Okay.
I need to remember that APCs can carry 2 things.
Yep. They can shoot too. So like a couple APCs with a fistful of mechs can do a decent amount of damage.
Radio makes attacking weird.
Oh, we're engaged. Okay, let's see here. Actually has a plan. I had a plan. I'm gonna doodle. Dang, Calvin, farty today.
Sneaky.
You or me? Because I don't remember doing anything sneaky yet.
No, I'm still. I see what you mean by doing scouting with moving around.
Okay. Yeah. How do you like it?
Still don't think you need to have the arrow looping on itself.
Is it just a graphic thing, or you don't like the fact that it's going on itself?
It's going on itself is wasting fuel. It's not graphical. How much range do artillery have?
I believe it's rocket range. I think it's 3 to 5.
3 to 5. Oh dear. Okay. That's an intern.
Okay, let's see. Oh. Nope, we're okay. What do you have back here? Do you have tanks? I'm worried that you have tanks. Let's go see if you have tanks. Is this worth it? I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go in and see if you got tanks. You probably have APCs. Oh, maybe I shouldn't run in there willy-nilly. I should maybe wait for my powers to charge up and then I can see it. I really should be getting in here. Maybe you can just kill it. Maybe you... Yeah, maybe I could just shoot you to death. Should I go for that? Probably not. It's too expensive. I'm just gonna kill it. It's not worth it. I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna hide up here. Wait for an opportunity. So let's get this guy up in here. I think we got enough units up in here. Let's put, ooh, dang. Yeah, okay, here we go. This should work. This should work fine. Let's put you in here. Put you in here. Get you up somewhere. Oh. Yeah, it doesn't need anywhere fancy. How careful are you? I haven't played you a lot.
How careful am I?
Yeah, you seem like a fairly careful guy. As in, if you see an infantry on the road, you're gonna go, that's a bait. That's not something. So you probably won't go for it. So it might be. I'm just thinking out loud.
Yeah, it depends on time of day.
Oh. Wait, have I got contact here? Yeah, I do. I actually think, ooh, geez, do I have contact back here? Let's do that. I need to get stuff going this way. Boy, this map's a lot bigger than... Let's build one of these, and one of these. What can we build up here? How about one of these? Might be a good idea. That's a good mix, right? You can't see it. I'm talking to people. Boop. Hey, Aaron's saying something. Fog of War feels strange without being able to spam 100 air scouts into it. One day.
This isn't total annihilation. Oh, okay.
So what did you have a main for Advance Wars? Like, how did you play
What?
Advance Wars? I'm trying to get an idea of how you play.
What do you mean
Did you
by that?
have a preferred CO? If you played
Probably Jess.
Did you play mostly 3 or 2?
Well, I played 2 with friends, and then I played 4 somewhat. 2 and 4 were the ones I actually played. 3, I sort of just found out much. I just like how Jess works,
Okay.
and 3.
I'm losing some bits here. Sorry, go on.
Yeah, no, I just liked how Jess played in 3, but she's bad in 2, but she wasn't too bad that I could use her against like friends because I was basically the best player in the. And having her abilities are fun. I know in 4 I played Waylon because Waylon bombers are the best bombers.
When the peak of my playing Advance was I just played Sam because I thought she looked cool. So I actually. But like when I really started to think about Advance Wars, the people around me didn't play Advance Wars anymore. But I was like, wow, you can do stuff with Olaf. How about Wargroove? If I'm not distracting you from your turn.
No, it's fine.
What are you playing? Wargroove was. I actually don't haven't.
Sedge,
Sorry, Sedge.
Tenri. Yeah, Sedge mostly. Tenri, Ryo. Those are the best. And by best ones, I mean that Sedge is actually bottom tier because no one knows how to use Sedge.
So is he bottom tier because no one knows how to play, or
Sedge takes really long to charge. Sedge's ability takes very long to charge, and it's a very long. You can't just you kind of have to. Not one of the strongest powers, and it's not as intuitive to use, really. That's sort of. Okay, that's where your crap is. Okay. I like Sedge's power because if you can get it to proc, it's really high. Okay, that doesn't do it.
I think the key press is interfering with because I'm not getting all the words. But
that's probably it.
I can sort of piece together what you're saying, but it takes a little bit of work. Yeah. So if I don't understand you completely, that's probably why.
That's fine. I'm using push to talk now. I'm just sort of doing it in between making.
Oh yeah, I was gonna doodle. Is that even showing up? Let me take a look. Okay. Aaron, are you the only one watching? Probably. If anyone's watching on the... Oh, I guess I should check if anyone's talking to me on Twitch. Take a
Your
look.
turn again.
It's my turn. I gotta do the turn. So you found me, A. Attack my officer, A. Well...
Yeah, your recons were significantly weaker than my recons.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you kill my recons?
No,
I
your
don't see them.
recons, like I mean, their attack power is significantly weaker than my recons,
That
my
shouldn't
Eternum
be.
recons.
They should be about the same.
No, Eternum recons shred things. They're very high attack, but
Oh, you're
they're
talking
very
about our game.
extremely
I
low
thought you meant.
defense.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, no, not that. No.
Yeah. Yeah. They're not. They're not beefed up. They beefed up the IFE. Are you ready for this? Check this out. Well, you can't see it.
What is the IFV like in your game?
It's actually just the AA, except there's no air units. And oh, if you press if you press A, you can see the damage chart, and it's just like most of the damage is against infantry is over 100.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's one of those. So I think it's just high that like if you in a mountain or some or a city you might be able to survive. I can't remember. I think it still kills on cities. But I think certain terrains.
So it's very similar to IFV's transport.
Put this back here because I need you to live. I want you to live. Zap. Zap. Ooh. I really should scout out in there. I'm gonna scout out in there. I'm gonna take this. Oh, do I dare? Do I dare? What's in there? Okay.
I can't see if my units dying or not dying.
5, 4, 3, 2. Oh. Oh. Oh, but I want to see what's in here. Here we go. Oh, okay. That's pretty good. We'll just put this guy in here. Okay. So that's pretty safe. We're in a pretty safe position. Yeah, I'm gonna push in real hard right now. Advance!
Wars.
Advance! Zip! Where should I put this? I think this is a good place for you. Oh, yeah! Oh, dang! Probably shouldn't have done that, but I did it. Oh, I really shouldn't have done that. It's okay. We'll just do this. Yeah, that was a bit. That was a bit greedy. Oh, oh! Look at this. Stuff's happened. Okay, I see what happened. I see what's going on. I better put. Oh, if I leave this here, I can't build out of here. So I gotta move. I have got to stall you on this end. You're pushing it way harder than I am.
Oh yeah, I mentioned. Yes, I'm careful, more careful in TBS, but like, I'm an RTS player. So yeah, you gotta make that pushes. You gotta keep that pressure, that tempo, sweet, sweet tempo.
Look at all of that. That's a lot of dudes on this side.
If you play Total Annihilation or Supreme Commander, you should play me in that, and I will show you the meaning of man spam.
Oh man, I cannot play turn-based not turn-based, real-time strategy games. It's I've never been able to do it. It's too much stuff happening, usually, for my liking. Well, you know, this is a good chance to test out something different. No, I don't think you can survive one of these, and I have, you know, cash. How much money will I be left? A ton. Oh my god, do you have a land cruiser? We are certainly enough money here for one. What are the chances that you banked a land cruiser up? People like to bank Land Cruisers. Oh, infiltrate. If you take a covert operative, park it on top or next to one of my buildings, and use the infiltrate command, you can see my funds, a stat called unit strength, and that's the amount of money I have deployed on the field, just all the units, how much they cost, taking into account how much HP they have converted to money, and also how much my power bar is charged. So if you want that information, you can infiltrate for it. And that'll show up on the mini-map, which I think comes up when you press V.
You're playing Sonya?
Yes. Yeah, I can deploy decoys, but I haven't because I haven't had the power. You'd be able to see me activate it, at least. But yeah, it's just flat stats and +1 vision. Anybody talking stuff on Twitter? Who knows? Not Twitter. Twitch. Where's my Twitch app? Don't remember. Oh my god, am I still subscribed onto that thing? I better check. I don't think so. I hope not. Yeah, Aaron's watching. He's the only one watching. He's on Discord, so we're safe. I'm safe. I'm gonna do some doodles. Aaron, if you're seeing this, I got this little doodle bar at the side. You want me to draw something, I'll do it. Cause it's just for fun. This little doodle bar. Good God, what did I eat today?
What are you doing?
I'm drawing. I'm drawing pictures. Done with it. Nah.
This is a interesting. Aaron designed this map?
Yeah. Aaron designed like I want to say like 70% of the maps I use.
How'd you get Aaron to design maps for you?
He was fed up with my maps. He was so he just like, I'll do it. I'll make maps. Cause my maps design was so ugly.
Well, I guess that's one way of doing
it. Yeah, it wasn't intentional. I just it just happened that way. But I'm very grateful to him. Some dogs. Can I draw dogs? Let's find out. Oh, I drew it too close to the other thing I was drawing. Oh well. Oh, this dog's coming out kind of creepy. Ooh, gross.
Okay.
Did you end your turn?
I'm about to.
Oh, okay, good. Thought it broke.
Yeah, no, your system doesn't seem to be capable of
Lost you. What did you say?
It's too simple to break.
Yeah.
There aren't enough moving parts.
Are you saying it can't desync?
Well, if you're literally sending a save state, it shouldn't be able to desync. If it desyncs, then I don't know how badly you messed it up.
Hooray!
Like, messing up sending save states and desyncing via that method is a testament to your skill as a programmer.
Oh no! I see things. Things that I don't want to be here. Get out of my country, man. Get out of my country. Ooh, that's very tempting.
Knock, knock, this is America. We've come for your oil.
This is a problem. I just gotta stay. I just gotta be. Oh, I hope. How much of this is just anchored in here? I just gotta push him harder. What's in here? Is there stuff in here? No. Okay, good. Excellent. Yes. How about in here? How much momentum can I keep on this side? Not a clue. Oh boy, okay, I gotta keep this guy in check. I'm a little worried here. Let's do a little bit of sightseeing. Is this worth it? I think so. Oh, that's really close to his HQ. Is he gonna have stuff in here that can destroy me? It's possible. You're running out of... You're not that bad. Let's keep you over there. Yeah, let's get this in range of that. Let's move this right here. How far can you see? I don't think you can see very far, so I'm going to do one of these right here. I got this, ready to repel. Let's just gunk him up. I'll keep this here just in case. Put this right. Yeah, I think here's the optimal place for it. Unless he sees me. Should I be building probably one of these? And actually I just need to gum up his works. Uh-oh. It's cool. It's cool, Daddy-o. Don't panic. bring this in here? What are the chances you actually have stuff in here? Whoa! Well, it's alright. We'll just take care of that. And that's all I can do. End turn.
Okay, question real quick. What exactly do the numbers on the damage chart mean, the white numbers and the black numbers?
So the white numbers is primary weapon, so main cannons and things like that, and the darker one is the secondary weapon, so machine guns and junk. So exactly like Advanced Wars. And that's base damage. We're doing Advanced Wars 4 damage, except I have discrete HP, so I have 1 to 10, not, you know, I don't have a 1.5 or 1.2, things like that, which I believe Advanced Wars has. So if you get like a 22 damage readout, it means 2 damage guaranteed and 20% chance of doing an extra damage.
I see that when you're targeting, when you press the arrow keys to target, you switch through an array of available targets rather than actually moving directionally. That's a nice feature.
I'm glad. It was just easier to do that way, to be honest.
No, that was Artificer sarcasm.
Oh, is it not a good feature?
No, if I'm pressing left to go to the thing that's left of me, it should go to the thing that's left of me, not randomly jump down. If you can try and do that, that would be awesome.
Okay. I'm gonna have to think about that. How does have you implemented something like this? How did you do it? If you don't
well, a turn I'm targeting, if you remember, it's just you click everything.
Oh,
so I don't
yeah,
even have to worry about that.
Okay.
They're technically stored in an array, but you just click it.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know how to solve this. At least not right now. I'm gonna have to think on it. I don't.
Well, you can always just store. Let's see.
Because right now it's just a list, right? And then it just goes through the list of available targets.
Yeah. What would be a good data structure for that? You could do a multi-dimensional array, but that's
Well, I'm already using 2D. When you say multi-dimensional, you're talking about?
Yeah, a 2D array.
Okay.
If you're using a 2D array already, then this should be simple.
I'm thinking about what if you have like units close together. I'm also thinking about how much of an issue it is. Is it worth investing a huge amount of time to dig this UI out? Because Advanced Wars does it this way, I think. Pretty sure.
No, I don't remember this really being an issue with Advanced Wars. In Advanced Wars, they could just... I didn't notice that.
I'll think on it. If something comes to me. Because then you gotta detect stuff. Like, what if you have something in like an angle, like the same sort of range away?
Well, if I have something in an angle, then I guess that's less defined. I just know that if I'm pressing left and there's a target left, I want to go left. There's also the solution you can do where you just have a floating target cursor that doesn't snap the targets. That's also an error. At the best, always the best solution to these things is just literally provide. You get your options menu.
I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna revamp the mouse controls first.
That would be pretty nice.
Yeah. See if people who want that precision would just naturally gravitate towards mouse instead. And then go from there. And yeah. Probably a toggle.
Oh dear, this game has fuel.
Yep.
Or remove fuel from a turn.
So yeah, combat doesn't change from Advanced Wars, and resources doesn't change from Advanced Wars. The only thing that's really changed is movement. The rest are just little tweaks. Little tweaks here, little tweaks there, to make it fit the new way things move.
Covert ops and recons look very similar to.
Yeah. I've actually been thinking about changing recons to more of an armored car aesthetic. So like a little turret.
That's certainly an idea.
Yeah. But we gotta put time aside for that too. Write it down. Looks like covert ops. I'm getting sleepy. I'm not gonna be able to draw good.
You have a tablet, I presume.
I do, yep. It's pretty old, but it works good. Or it works. Considering how
Works
old it is. Works fine. That's the way to say it. It works fine. Watch me draw a cube. Oh boy.
Okay, it's your turn.
Alright. How hard did you push in? Pretty hard. Ooh, look at that. That's dangerous. Oh, glad you landed there. Jeez. Not glad that it didn't die. Yeah, okay. I actually think I'm gonna... Boop! Would not Get a little bill out of there, but I think it's worth it. Let's put in another one. Yowza, dang. I'm gonna put this right here, because I think it'll... Maybe I need a couple of these, and one of these. What's going up here? Pretty certain there's nothing in here. Yep. Let's take it. Let's put this in here. There's probably stuff in here. That's pretty dangerous. Oh, okay. Yeah. That's pretty dangerous. Probably, there's too much stuff down here. I think I ought to keep an eye on that. I'm actually running a little thin on this hedge. It's a little kind of really dangerous. Maybe I should, though. Oh, you know, I should have infiltrated. That's not going to do much. This thing is dead. There's more units here than I thought there would be. Can I hold this line? It's not a good line to hold. There's not a lot of cover here. Maybe I should go for his... No, it's probably a bad idea. So let's... let's put this in here just in case. But let's start. Oh, there's another one. Okay, I'm gonna have to play more defensively. Oh, I didn't hear. It's too late. Let's save it. Oh.
Wait.
Did your creek your creek skills ready? Did you get a sound?
Yeah.
I didn't get a sound. I don't know why. Maybe I just didn't hear
it. I got a sound.
Yeah.
I was confused for a moment, but yeah. Oh, I think it's gone. That's unfortunate.
Wait, did you fire it off?
No, not yet.
Ooh, actually, it's pretty bad for me. Even on a huge lap map like this. I think... Ooh. Oh, I'm dreading it now. I'm thinking about it, what can happen, and I'm dreading it. Oh, I should have fired mine off first. Ah! Oh, I'm really worried about my next turn. Ah, Aaron is right. Ah, it's too powerful. You know,
So how exactly do I use this thing?
So the ability that the covert operative have to disable units, that's permanent, and I have it resupply. And the zapper does the same thing, and you get a range 1, so like a cross if you use the Greek skill. So everything,
Roger.
so yeah. So it's like a missile, except things get zapped instead. And I think they also get 1 damage right now. So you can just fire it wherever you want. You get a cursor after you start the Krieg skill, if you haven't already. Oh, it will zap your own units. I forgot about that. It will zap your own units if they're in range.
Roger.
So... I'm sorry. If anyone's hearing that, I'm sorry. Just... What did I eat today? What did I have for dinner? Leftovers. Who? Check out those kills, y'all.
Your turn.
Alright. Did you... Oops. Did you hit anything? Or did you save it? Damn. That's a lot of infantry units. That is a lot of infantry units. I'm not ready for that yet. Oh! You hit up here. It's kind of odd. I really shouldn't keep pushing here. I don't have a lot of presence here. Ammo, ammo. Where's all my money? What am I spending my money on? Oh! He got my covert operative in the corner. Damn, I was really counting on that one. I really should be doing this. There we go. Let's scare him a little. Is this a good idea? I don't know. Doesn't have a lot of... No, I can't do that yet. Maybe. Let's see if we can kill this command structure, because actually we might be able to do it. Jeez Louise. You know what? I think I can crash into this. It's not too terrible. I really should be doing more with this guy. Them's are the brakes. Let's do this. I think I need to do this. I don't know what kind of... It's crippled. I mean, it's scary, but it's not too bad. Let's put one more of these on. I think I need some more stuff.
So how do CO powers charge in this?
So it
What's
charges,
the formula for that?
so the formula is the same as Advanced Wars 3. So they have a value that I copied from Advanced Wars 3, and just every HP equals, so for infantry, for example, every HP dealt is 4. So if you take 2, you get 8. But if you damage, it's half that. So if you do 2 HP of worth of damage to one of my infantry, you charge 2.
Roger.
Yeah. So in the unit chart, there is stuff for that. Oh, why have I not been moving these guys? It's a bit of silliness. Ooh, I don't know if I can survive this. Because I haven't been... Maybe I should abandon this. Probably. Save my units. There's not that much money up here. Yeah. I do want that. Oh. earlier. Oh well.
Positioning of your units is confusing.
Which side? Oh, it's not looking good for Kelvin. No, sir. I moved too slow. It's catching up with me. I don't think.
Dummy units.
Did you find it?
Give me a moment.
I think I wasted that. I shouldn't have done what I did with it. Oh well. You live, you learn. That was foolish. But I got another one charged up.
Oh, so land cruisers count as command. That's neat.
Yeah, the land cruisers deployed with. Oh no. And now, a cylinder.
I want to believe you're smart in this, Kelvin.
I think the sleepiness got me. I don't think I was smart. And I think I moved too slow. And I didn't really take advantage of my abilities. And I think my defenses are about to crack.
Okay, question real quick.
Sure.
Is there any reason to use my little power over my big power?
You get 2 instead of 1.
Okay, so it doesn't just deplete my entire bar?
No. Little power, it's just 3 stars, straight up.
Okay.
So if you have...
Why can't I cancel my power?
Oh.
I can't cancel out my big power.
Uh-oh. Sorry. It just doesn't do that.
Yeah, if you have a notebook like I did, just marking down things, mark that down that you can check it, you can cancel out the anti-radio
That's
power.
a good idea. Ah!
That did it.
Greek skill till I couldn't take advantage of it. Because... we'll put some eyes on this cylinder. Now it's a robot man. There you go. Whoa, that's the end of the page. Are you laying waste to my army? It sure sounds like
It's your turn. Now, I could have done more if I could cancel out my superpower. Now that I know that I'm going to have to be more...
I'm running away. This side is lost. Oh man, I am not doing well. Ooh, should I bother? Probably not. Alright, let's just start by taking out some stuff. What's the highest priority target here? Oh, it's this, obviously. Jeez. On a road? You're mad.
I see your medium tanks, or like AW1 medium tanks.
Yeah, very beefy. Ooh, I really need to put some stuff up here. But what? What should I put up here? I actually think it might be worth it to... Oh, he's gonna know something. Oh, damn it. There we go. Why didn't I do that? Stick this down here, see what's coming. Whoa, look at that baby. Okay. We got a game going on over here. Oh. Which one of these can do more damage? Oh, I don't know. Oh, that's not far enough. Ooh. Oh, it's so tempting. I think this one. No, I forgot. Oh, I forgot how my own game works. Ah, I beamed myself. Oh, dang. Well, I'm just gonna continue to fire on these things. Yeah, okay. Let's put this in here. This right here will break out. And then we'll go shoot some stuff. Like that. We'll put this right here. You're not useful right now anywhere else. Let's keep this guy. Nope. I gotta get in here and do some actual damage. Probably not. Oh, by gum. That was a bad move. That was really dumb. But I did it. So, you know, there's that. So this wasn't great, and I left this for a long time. I think I really need to put stuff up there. Just anything. I think you have a money advantage right now. Alright. That's 2x. I forgot how my own game works moments today. Oh. Yeah. These are complicated games. Complex games. Knee joint. He's a robot, who cares? Robots don't have proper proportions. They're not real. How about, I don't know. I should draw more hands. My hand drawn.
Okay, yeah, the artillery range being different is just screwing me up a bit.
It's too close?
Yeah, too close because I thought it was just 2 to something, not 3 or whatever.
Hooray! That's gonna help me. doesn't look natural. Baby steps.
Your turn.
Oh, it startled me. We'll just do one of these. We'll just plop down. Holy cheese. One of these. Oh, I got lucky. No, I didn't. I knew that was happening. Yep. Run away. This is a bad scene. Let's see if we can take this out. And hopefully... Ah! Bummer.
What's wrong?
I got unlucky on a hit. Is this worth it? Is this what's holding your army together? It sure looks like it. Yeah! I did it! I'll just have to get in there before you have a chance to close ranks on me. Just gotta blow some stuff up. Just do some freaking damage. Like this. Wow, I forgot how weak the machine gun is on that thing. But you also gotta run. You really gotta run. I really need to move this into a better position. Yeah, I gotta start doing some stuff like this. Oh, ho ho ho! Oh, what? I have no idea how far your Krieg skill is charged. But I hope it's not very far. I just gotta clean up. Let's put some... Ah, dang it. It's okay. Let me just do this. Where's Optimus position for right here? I mean, there's this, but I'm sure I can handle it, to be quite honest. Let's just poke around in here and see what we can find. Is there going to be something on that? Probably. Hey, look at that. This is how I should have been using the power. I mean, it's technically a dummy unit, but we'll just stick this in here. Keep an eye on things. You know what? Not even. I'm going to put it right here. Yeah, I gotta stop this. So let's put one of these up here. Let's get some dudes out here. Let's see how that goes for me. I hope it goes well. Ooh, I really should have done one of those. Why didn't I do that? Where's my other one? Doing this. What are you doing that? You can't see what I'm doing, but I'm doing stuff. I don't know how significant that was. There wasn't much stuff left on that end anyway, but I hope it's devastating. How much of information are you actually able to glean from what I'm saying? Is it useful at all to you?
Not as useful as actual movement would.
Yeah. Oh, you mean being able to see my turn?
Get networking in.
Oh, there's so much to do. I think it might be better. It has to happen. I have to talk to my guys. The cat came back the very next day. That's kind of weird. I don't know. I kind of like that. You draw down here. It's more visible down here, but it's like at an angle that's harder to see for me. How much zappy power do you have? Is it charged up already? Oh, was that in range? Oh, I didn't check. Oh, was that guy in range? That's sort of critical. I don't like that. Is this how it works? I can't remember. No, it's more like this, right? If it's like this, the bulbs are like this. Nope. Thumbs go on the inside of that. Right? Yeah, body is here, thumb goes inside.
Yours.
Okie doke. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, that was a good move, but you've linked up somewhere else. Well, what? What's even close enough to link these guys up? Something in here? Something in here? Probably. Let's take a look. Ah, it's this guy. That means there's probably something in here. So let's blow it up. That'll do, I think. Yeah. Let's get rid of this, because this is going to be problems later. Yeah, let's head in here, hit these guys, pull this guy back, or at least somewhere safe. Ooh, that's going to hurt. Kaboom! You can stay. You can get out of here. Oh, look at this guy right here. Not enough. Oh well. I think it's safe to leave these guys alone. What I gotta really do is try and get in here and hit, break as much as I can before he has a chance to. Yeah, I'm actually jammed up on my own units. Oh wait, maybe I can do this. Boom. Yeah, I should get rid of that. No, you know what? I pushed far enough. I'll hit that later. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Let's start going up Mm-hmm. Ooh, right. So this is pretty dangerous. So let's put down something big. So I actually really should do one. Oh man, I spent all my money. I really shouldn't have done that. It was a bad thing to do, Calvin. So this is definitely gonna blow me up. So let's get the fudge out of here. Oh, I can use this guy. Yes. Okay. Yeah. I spent all my money, so I'm just gonna skirmish. If I don't do something quick, I'm gonna run out of money. But you are overextended. So we'll see how that goes. I'm not hearing my creep power happening. It should. Play when it's charged. But why am I not hearing it all the time? Have I got it on the same channel as the BGM? Hope not. I'll be right back. I'm gonna use I'll be at the washroom. Get some tea. More tea. was not bad.
Yours.
All right. Wow. All right, high priority. I've got to take buildings. Is this a good idea? It really probably isn't. Can I take it out? Kind of a bit of a gamble. Ooh, what's this guy doing over here? Better get rid of him. I don't want him seeing my stuff. Oh, that sucked. Let's get in. Let's get in here. Actually, I really need to send a few this way. I know what's coming, so I gotta prep for it. Let's keep an eye on it. This is kind of a pain in the butt, but I can't hit it because damn. Yeah, let's get all up in the business right here. No, I shouldn't do that. This is kind of risky. Jeez, well, we'll see how it goes. I kind of want to do this. Let's see how it goes. Oh, it was bad. That wasn't smart. We can save it. I need to get rid of this. I don't want him to have vision over here. Yeah, I can see it. Oh, that's not enough. Alright, I guess I'll ignore it for now. Just in case he's got another one going up over here. Oh, look at this. Look at this guy. What's his deal? No, I need this guy over here. How are you doing? You're doing okay. Alright. I think I'm okay. I'm gonna actually do this. Jeez, how come I don't have any freaking money? How many buildings are on this map and how poorly am I doing? I don't know, man. I think the planes are. Oh. I think the voice chat signal or my internet's being influenced by airplanes because it's going good and bad. I think that's what
Your turn.
I know what's coming, but I don't know what's coming after that. And what I really, really, really need to do. Ugh. Damn. I really need to see it. Damn. 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 Oh, I got careless. This is what a careless person does. I need to stop you from... Oh, that's too far away, but for some reason... No, Oh, I'm unhappy. Oh, that's not good. That's very bad. We'll just put a doodad back here and see what's going on. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Which way do I push? You're pushing in real hard. You got way more money than me. That's bad. I actually think I should turn these around. Damn. Oh, he got my guy. No, he's up here because I used him to scout. I really shouldn't have done that. That was really dumb. Alright. Can you hit me? He's got an APC right here. It's not going to do much. No, there's probably stuff in there. Well, that's a smart way to go. Let's get you on one of here. Let's get you on somewhere. Let's get you somewhere useful. Oh, cheese and crackers. That's gonna get hit pretty quick. He's gonna find it. But maybe. Where can I hide this thing? Let's see. It's a bit of a gamble, but let's take a try. Oh, baby! Heck yeah! Alright, let's swing around. Alright, let's get in his business. Heck yeah! I gotta keep something connected, actually. This is... Alright, I just gotta hit this one too on the next turn. Do I have anything in range? Oof. Do I have enough muscle up here? No, I really don't. Jeez. But I don't need that much. So let's do one of these up here. Oh, let's just kill this guy. This is going to be a pain in the butt. He's going to be able to blow something up real good. Damn. This might actually be a good idea. Probably not. I think I should keep my distance. For an opportunity to strike. Yeah. Can I hit anything with this? No, you need to be. It's a good place for it though. Yeah, I need some muscle on this side. This needs to stay, probably. I actually do think I should build some. Oh, I don't have enough money. Money, money, money. Money! Money, I need money. Yeah, I'm just just gonna have to gum you up. Is this really the optimal place for this thing to be? It's not a bad place for it to be. But I really think I should, damn. Wait, is this something I can do? It's a little dangerous. What are the chances he can actually get in here? Nope, those are all zapped, so forget it. Oh, well, better than something else. How about some of these? Oh, so, maybe I should ask. Do you want to play to 30, or do you want to play to dead? Because they can the tactics at the end could be different depending on like.
What do you mean by that?
Do you want to play till 30 and do like a property count, or do you want it to be yield or HQ or something like that?
I can do whatever works.
Let's do 30, because I'm already getting sleepy. Although we are only at 19. Here it comes. Here comes the thing. Oh, and me without my Krieg skill. Gosh darn it. I really, really could use it. Oh, you cut my lines. How did you do that? Or did I just run them out of range and forgot? I think I ran them out of range. By being a dummy. Oh. Oh. Somebody's been a clever. Did I not hide this? What was I doing? Wow. Jeez. Ooh. Ooh, I want to see, but there's no opening for me to get through. Oh, let's see. I'm gonna have to make it. What? Jeez, that's not enough. Oh, I really should have shot at that, shouldn't I? There's probably stuff in there. Well, we gotta... Oh, that's not enough. We gotta do it, so here we go. Yeah, that's a problem. So let's get in there and get rid of the problems. I really should have saved this one. Let's hit this. Let's hit this. Ah, beans! Oh, well. That's how it is. Let's hit that. Oh, maybe that wasn't smart. I really need more muscle on this side. Oh, I haven't been able to capture any new properties. That's a real problem. That's a real problem. I'm losing the money game. Oh, they've been zapped. How? Krieg skill. Of course. You have it. You would use it. I'm not sure if this is useful right now. I actually think I should... Yowza. What a crazy way to do that. Ooh, gotta stay. Okay. Yeah, I don't want that doing stuff. Ah, you peanut brittle. I probably need another one. It's gonna come in. It's gonna happen. I'm gonna have to hit that at some point. Damn. What's more important? I already got 2 of those on the field. Let's get one of these, and actually I probably should put one of these out. And I guess more dudes. I'll do... No, actually, mamma mia. did I build? Oh, good not. Can I stop that thing? Oh, I'm thinking about it. Oh, I'm thinking about it. I'm not sure I can win. I can't control enough territory right now. Where's the dog I just drew? There's the dog. Calvin's too sleepy to draw. Because, you know, stuff like that's happening. What a bird. How about a cool bird? On a skateboard. Yeah. Oh, I think everybody on my own channel is also on the Advanced Wars channel, so I didn't put one of these links in my own in the Uber Creek channel. I'm gonna put one there now. There's 2 people there that isn't on the Advanced Wars channel. Stop it. Can you all see the bird? Good. Good. What else do people like? So I was watching a little bit of Adventure Time the other day. Probably yesterday. The early episodes and the late episodes, they're pretty different. Yeah. Oh no! Mamma mia! Wow! I should have seen that coming. think
I
about
assume I hit
this.
something.
You hit most of it, but I don't know how much you got left on this side. Can I recover from this? I don't know. Oh, why didn't I spread them out a little? Wait, that's a huge range. Oh, that's because you hit all the important bits. Ah, you hit the two things that abs. Okay, what did you hit here? That was just a creek skill too, right? Did you use the creek? Yeah, no, I can see it.
Yeah,
It's just
not
a
the
creek
Uber
skill.
one, just a regular
You
Creek
hit
skill.
you hit the exact right spot. I parked them next to each other to fuel things. Oh, mama! If I just kept them one extra space apart. Oh, baby. Well, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's I don't think I can recover. Oh! You know, I think if I tried really, really, really hard, probably not. You got a Land Cruiser on that side. You probably just kill everything before I can get to it. Oh, but I got this guy. He's so close. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, boy. Okay. I think there's a chance for me to recover from this, but I'm also really sleepy, so I think let's... what day were we on? I feel like this is 22 or 23. How do you feel?
It says 20 on my screen.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's only been one turn. How do you feel? You took out, I would say, at least a third of my army with that sap. And that's
Neat.
like all the parts. And like I think I'm like 4 or 5 buildings behind you for like quite a few turns. There was a time where I think I could have recovered, but I think you got me. Yeah, I think that's a yield.
GG.
Yeah. GG indeed. Well, how do you feel about that?
Pretty neat, actually.
Yeah?
Playing with Fog of War is definitely interesting. It's nice you use the AW4 mechanics on that, where you reveal fog while moving.
Yeah.
I would say try and prioritize that network support if you need help with like a command system or something. I could see what I can do, even if I'm unfamiliar with Game Maker. I don't think the new versions are as bad as the old ones.
No, I am using the old ones.
Oh.
Yeah. The problem is I'm very bad at communicating, and I haven't talked to my programmer friend in a long time now. That's what I really should be doing. So let me talk to him, and I'll get back to you about that.
Yeah. I would say, especially for Fog of War,
Yeah.
having proper multiplayer where you see each other's moves is really important, because I would say probably the worst thing about this version is just
really
how
boring.
disorienting.
Yeah.
Yeah, that, and also it just sort of felt like, so it didn't really feel connected. It was just sort of getting delivered, hey, these units are disabled. Why are they disabled? I don't know. If you weren't talking, I would have no idea.
Well, I don't have any special effects either.
Special effects aren't necessary. Just like show the units moving.
Yeah.
Then
Okay.
you can just track what's happening.
That's actually quite a bit of stuff that has to happen. Because I actually think I have to rework the game the way it runs. Or at least clean it out so all the variables we can find.
I'm not sure how you programmed it, but at least for a tournament, multiplayer was something I sort of had in mind from the beginning.
Yeah.
So it wasn't really much more difficult than, like, again, looking at, hey, player clicks to move a unit, well, do a contextual move command. I can show you how I have it set up if you want me to, but it's
Mm,
not
no, I think even if I
involved.
did see it, I don't think it'll help. So I basically got everything shoved into global variables, and all the thing just I change the global variables, and then I run a thing. Uh,
Global
new
variables are evil, though.
really? What what? Why are they evil?
That's basically sort of the same thing as using statics everywhere in regular languages.
Oh,
But I guess GML is special.
I don't know. uh, again, I wasn't for like I did a little bit of programming in school, but I really didn't. I'm not properly trained, so it's pretty haphazard. I've been told the code is awful, so it's gonna need a lot of housekeeping. Yeah, I was actually hoping to just be able to stop the prototype here and like go on working on the actual proper stuff, but I guess it's still like I was hoping this would make it not too jarring to be able to play over the internet. At least it works. But yeah,
Yeah, it
I
works.
guess
It's just
it's still something you have to. What's the word I'm looking for? Like endure the off turns.
oh,
So
okay.
it's difficult to play because it's part of it is still work. So is yeah.
Okay.
I
Yeah, I
guess.
exited out of the game.
Oh, no, that's
I
fine.
see. Yeah, I see what you mean by your army being disabled. I didn't actually think. I thought you would have had backup commanders.
I uh thought I did. Um, but I was you happened to manage to hit them both, and I put them next to each other by accident. They didn't have to be there. But yeah, you just managed to hit the two pieces of the poop, and I didn't have it connected back to my HQ like I did like one turn ago.
Uh,
Because I think, yeah, I was being careless too. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna close it on my side.
yeah.
Yeah. Any
I know behind that, I was basically just trying to try and push with rockets, mechs, and heavy tanks.
yeah, I see it. Jeez. So how do you feel about the strength of like the actual properties of the CO you played? Like, how do you feel about
I,
how strong it is and how well,
I,
sorry, go on.
I was going to say I sort of feel like well during the beginning of the match I didn't have a clue of what I was doing to be honest.
Yeah,
But like during the later parts, it sort of feels like a CO that's very strong if you can actually get the whereabouts of your enemy's commanders at any point. The Uberkrieg,
yeah,
I don't. I that felt like a waste actually, to be honest. Like it feels like the Krieg's power is just a better one
yeah,
because you want to be sort of sniping
yeah.
your enemy's command units.
Did the hunter stuff come into play at all?
Not really, though. That might also be because again I didn't
Oh,
really
okay.
figure out the radio system. It
Yeah,
seems like a neat ability. I know I killed a few things with it, but those things weren't really
critical.
that consequential. No,
Yeah, actually, this hunk
it's a nice.
that you just disabled, you probably would have been able to cut through that pretty easily since they're
Yeah,
disabled.
that would have been a good. That would have been a good situation to use it in. Yeah,
Yeah.
so it's definitely a good synergy. It's just
Okay.
my inexperience
Yeah. So
playing
if you
this.
played again, you probably play a lot more efficient and zap things.
Yeah, those covert ops were quite good. I should have probably used those a bit more.
Okay. I think based on what I the play currently, I think I might bump up the meter for your character just a little, like by a star or two.
What
Yeah.
was it? Was it too much
I
or?
don't know. I don't actually know because I think if you played better, because I think a lot of what makes this CO work better is if you got good intel, if you were able to find where my officers were. Um, I don't know if you saw my officer. Oh yeah, they weren't hidden either. Jeez.
I did see both of your officers. Yeah,
Yeah, I didn't
I
hide
moved
them.
my recon in and out.
Yeah. I don't really know, but I get what I feel like I feel like if I hit my Krieg skill ahead of you, I might have been able to get ahead of it because then I can find you. So it's really hard to say. It's pretty situational, maybe.
Yeah, I don't. I would sort of leave it
Yeah.
unless it's like a very consistent problem when people actually know what they're doing.
Need more data.
Because I know when I'm balancing stuff for a tournament, part of the reason the earlier versions were so wonky is because they would just sort of play one or two matches
And
against
change
people
stuff.
who weren't up to date, change
Yeah.
stuff, and then it would get really weird.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Like it wasn't insane. Yeah. Okay. I think I agree. Well, thanks for playing.
Thank you for playing the tournament. Is this video going to be up anywhere?
I will when I wake up in the morning. I'll put it on YouTube. Do you want yours on YouTube, or do you just want me to like Dropbox it to you?
Yeah, you can Dropbox it to me. I have a channel.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So just a warning: the first like 2 or 3 turns of Uber Krieg, what is on that video because I forgot to stop the recording and restart it.
It's fine.
Yeah, and I'm too lazy to edit stuff. So, yeah, all right. I'll when I wake up, I'll have breakfast. Now I'll upload. I'll put it in Dropbox now. Yeah. And then I'll send you a link. But it might take a while to load. Come on, babies. Where are you? I have shortcuts for these because I knew it was going to be a thing. Battle maps. I think I might have... Nope, there it is. That is not the right one. No, I killed it recently when I did when I was cleaning up my desktop. Okay. Hold on. Okay. First of all, I'm gonna stop the recording because I'm going into private files here. Where's it? There you go. We'll stop streaming.